So Tru-Marine, we have embarked on a sustainability training under Green Compass, which is an initiative under Syntec. The board takes appreciation of the top material matters and then works with management to get through the various sustainability targets and to monitor how the company would embark on efforts to achieve those targets.
We are also working on sustainability reporting, where we are engaging our stakeholders and finding out what the material issues are.
The Board of Directors has also requested management to embark on an operational risk management framework training. Through this ORM, we are hoping to systematize risks and processes surrounding the material top-tier risks that Tru-Marine is facing, like workplace safety, such as anti-bribery and corruption, or any other matters that stakeholders are generally very minded about.
We have 398 solar panels fitted to our ceiling, and that gives us about 70% of our electrical usage. The other 30% we are actually sourcing from renewable sources. Over this period, it actually saves us 75% of our electrical costs. Since March, our carbon avoidance is about more than 50 tons.